Hi, hello, good morning, dear students. So, in our last class, we discussed about the area and perimeter of special types of quadrilateral. In today's class, we are going to discuss the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. You know what is circumference of circle means? If you draw a circle, this is the length of the boundary line. So this is called circumference of circle. So here we are using two formulas. First one, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r, or you can write pi into d also. D means what here? 2 times of radius. D means what? 2 times of radius. So, if you want to find area, circumference of circle, area of circle, pi r square, square units is the square units means if they are given meter means meter square, centimeter if they are given means centimeter square. So these two formulas are very important to solve the circumference of circle problems. So first one is what is circumference? Formula 2 pi r and area of circle is pi r square. Now we will move to the problems part. First problem, the diameter exercise 20C. First problem, the diameter of a circle is the diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. Find its circumference. First one. And second one, area. So here the problem they are given is the diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter. Find its circumference and area. So what is circumference formula? C is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. They are given diameter. So radius is equal to half of the diameter. So that is r is equal to what? D by 2. 28 they are given. Diameter divided by 2 means 14 centimeter is the radius of the circle. So 2 into pi means you know the value 22 by 7. R means 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 22 to 2 44. 44 twos are 88 centimeter. So next you have to find area. Area is equal to pi r square. Pi means what? 22 by 7. R means 14. That is 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 22 into 2 44. 44 into 14. If you multiply these two, you will get 616 centimeter square. So the problems are simple. So you can easily understand this problem by using the formulas of circumference and area. You have to find what are the data that are given in the question. Next problem, they are given in second problem in exercise 20C. the circumference the circumference of a circular field. Circumference of a circular field is 308 meter. Find its radius. Second one, area. Find its radius and area. Circumference they are given. Circumference is equal to 308. So circumference formula is 2 pi r 308. First we have to find radius. We know pi value is 22 by 7 or 308. So interchange the equation. R is equal to 308 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. 2 into 22. So if you cancel this, so if I cancel 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 fours are 2 fours are next 22 into ones are 27s are 154 7 sevens are what 7 sevens are 7 sevens are 49. This radius is 49. I will check the answer. Yes. This 7 sevens are 49 meter. Correct is the answer. Next we have to find area. Area formula is pi r square. 22 by 7. R value is 49 into 49. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. If you multiply all those things, you will get the answer is 7,546 meters square. So using the circumference, first you have to find radius and then you have to find area. Next problem we will go. Next problem that given. Third one. The sum of the circumference and diameter of a circle is 116 centimeter. Find its radius. So here the given circumference plus diameter sum is equal to 116. Circumference formula is 2 pi r plus diameter is 2r. You can take common 2r outside. Here 5 is remaining, 1 is remaining. 116 you can keep as it is. 2r is equal to, pi value 3.14 plus 116. 2r is equal to 4.14116. R is equal to 116 divided by 2 into 4.14. 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 8s are. That is 58 divided by 4.14. 58 divided by 4.14. So you can multiply with 100, you will get 5. This point will shift it to this side. So if you cancel this, so it will goes by 14 times. 14 centimeter is the radius of the circle. So like this. So whatever the data they are given, based on the data, first you have to write in mathematical equation, then apply formulas. After applying formulas, what are the simplification made, you can make, and then find total final answer. Next problem. The radii of two circles are 25 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find the radius of circle which has circumference equal to sum of the circumference of two circles. Here you check the mathematical equation. Circumference is equal to sum of the circumference of two circles. Circumference formula is what? 2 pi r. So now we have to find circumference of circle 1. Circle 1 is equal to 2 pi r. What is the radius? First circle 25. 2 into pi into 25, that is 50 pi. 50 pi. Next one. Similarly, you can find circle 2 pi r. 2 into pi into second circle radius is 18. 16 pi. 36. 18 to how much? 36 pi. So now sum of the circumference of two circles. First circle is 50 pi. Second circle is 36 pi. 2 pi r is equal to 50 plus 36. 86 pi. Here pi get cancelled. R is equal to 86 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are. That is 43 centimeter they are given. What is the radius? After calculating all, you will get 43 centimeter. I hope you understand this problem. So first they are given in two circle radius. Here mathematical equation is circumference are equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. So here I am finding circumference of circle 1. Second one is circumference of circle 2. Then circumference is equal to sum of circumference of two circles. 2 pi r is equal to 50 pi plus 36 pi. So pi get cancelled. So 86 divided by 2 means 43 is the radius of circle. Next problem. A circle of largest area is cut from a rectangular piece of cardboard. So here rectangular piece of cardboard is there. Circle cut from rectangular piece of cardboard. They are given dimensions of rectangular cardboard. Length is 55 centimeter. Breadth is 42 centimeter. So 42 centimeter. Here they are asking to find the ratio between the areas of circle and cut the area of remaining part of the cardboard. So first we have to find area of rectangular cardboard. That is, what is the rectangular area L into B? Where L is 55, B is 42. If you multiply these two, you will get 2310 centimeter square. Next, you have to find area of circle, pi r square. We don't know radius. So radius is, here 42 is there. Diameter is 42. 42 divided by 2, 21 centimeter. 22 by 7, 21 into 21, 7 ones are, 7 threes are, you can cancel, we multiply, you will get 1386, that is 1386 centimeter square. Now, first you find the remaining part area. Remaining part in cardboard area is equal to, subtract 2310 minus 1386. So if you subtract area of cardboard, the rectangular cardboard and area of circle, you will get remaining part. So that is equal to 924 centimeter square. So what they are asking me, they are asking to find out ratio of area of circle into remaining part. So area of circle is 1386924. So remaining part is 924. You can divide it by the number 462. It will cancel by 3. It will cancel by 2. 462 2s are 924. 3s are 1386. If you are not taking big number, means by smaller number only you can go cancel, simplify and get into the simplest form of the ratio. So cardboard is there. After cutting that circle, remaining part of area you can find. Then find the ratio between the area of circle and remaining part. Next problem, sixth one. The radii of two circles are in the ratio 3:8. If the difference between their areas is 2695 pi centimeter square. Next, find the area of smaller circle. So here radius of circle, they are given ratio of radius 3:8. That means left you can consider circle 1 radius 3x and circle 2 radius 8x. Circle 2 radius 8x. Find the area of circle 1 because they are given difference between their areas is equal to they are given. That's why you have to find areas of circle 1. That is pi r square is equal to. So 3x square means what happened? 9 pi x square. Like this you can find area of circle 2. Pi r square is equal to pi into 8x whole square means 64 pi x square. So you can find now difference of two areas is equal to how much they are given here? 2695. 2695 they are given pi. So difference of areas means 64 pi x square minus 9 pi x square total 2695 pi. So if you remove this, subtract this, you will get 55 pi x square is equal to 6695 pi. Pi get cancelled. X square is equal to 2695 divided by 55. So it will cancel by 49 times. That x value is equal to 7 centimeter. After removing centimeter, square root 7 centimeter. Then you have to find the area of smaller circle. Here, area of circle 1, that is only the smaller circle. 9 pi x square. 9 pi value is 22 by 7. X value we already find out. 7 into 7. 1 7 get cancelled. So if you multiply all those things, you will get 1836. 3386. You will get centimeter square. This is the area of smaller circle. Area of smaller circle. So like this, we are solving the problems. So many problems are there in your textbook and exercise 20C. So using the area of circle and circumference of circle formulas, solve the exercise problems. Thank you for watching.